Alright, what's up, y'all? We're gonna do a little fridge tour. Here's my fridge. Tap. Oh my god, that's adorable, right? But in here, we got the eggs, some milk for Chevy, sugar-free Kool-Aid, no, Dr. Pepper, Diet Dr. Pepper Cherry, some Waters. Oops, nope. And we got them healthy noodles. These are the WW meals I prepped earlier. Premier protein, Wada, fat-free cottage cheese, Brussels sprouts, pickles, some carrots, lettuce, tomato, blueberry, something, fruit, grapes, seafood snackers, turkey, blah 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 blah, fat-free cheeses, low-fat cheeses, whatever cheeses, condiments, yay.